All right, ladies and gentlemen, today is January 20th, and we just got a bunch of snow. Reese, she just got a haircut. Reese, sit. You got a haircut. And there's Chevy. And this is how much snow we got. Greg's been doing some shoveling. Here he is right here. Hi, Greg. I'm making a video on the snow we got. There's Greg's car. There's my car. There's everything out here. Our street. Everyone's shoveling and snow blowing. We can't see the lake. It's completely white and covered. And she's been doing shoveling to get the car out. Okay. And there's our backyard. Sit. And then back here, we got Lou. Hey, Lou. Do you like the snow? Look at the snow. Look at the snow. You like the snow. He likes the snow. You like the snow, don't you? So this is our backyard. Our neighbors all around us. All the snow we got. I'd say that's about 1.5 feet. Maybe not, but it seems like a lot more than that. I thought we got at least 3 feet. So, yeah, that's our house right now.